Introducing battery-operated impact tools, designed by Klein Tools and powered by DeWALT batteries. Each tool packs 210 pounds of torque for high-performance fastening and drilling. The impact function makes these tools particularly useful for driving and removing fasteners in wood, metal, and concrete. Each tool features a compact design for optimal balance and control, especially when working in tight spaces or reaching overhead. The variable speed trigger provides more control. The 1/2-inch male square drive on the compact impact wrench features a pin detent for maximum socket retention, while the impact drill has a 1/4-inch hex quick connect to keep the job moving. A convenient work light provides light when needed. Each features a lockout switch for safety. The kit includes two 4Ah batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. You can also purchase the tool without batteries. Each tool is made of high-quality materials and features a brushless DC motor for added durability and efficiency with less noise. Extra ribbing keeps electronics in place and provides added structural integrity if the tool is ever dropped. Quality, durable DeWALT-powered, battery-operated tools, all with the performance and reliability professionals expect from Klein. Klein Tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857.